Oh Lordy, die, be careful. Sarah, hold on tight. Hold tight, Sarah. Hold on tight. Not his head. Around his around his neck. Hold. Hug him. Hug tight. Hug tight, Sarah. Sarah, hug tight. Right. Hi, Fels. I'm coming to you all great today. Hi, Fels. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. I got up this morning and I am on a mission. Today is mission wash here. Today is mission pack. Today is mission pack for Papa. Only Papa today, because I like to pack for everybody. I can't let Papa pack for himself. I need to know what's going in that suitcase. I need to see everything that's going in that suitcase. So because Papa goes to work on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I have to pack when he's home. So I have to pack for Babe today. I have to wash my hair today so that I can get my hair done, not tomorrow but the day after tomorrow. I have to wash it tomorrow, let it air dry through the day. Tomorrow I do what I have to do in preparation for getting my hair done. So today I'm on a mission, and today is mission clean. So this is my deep clean. You want to pee pee? Okay, go pee pee in a small potty. Today is mission deep clean before mission light clean before I leave. So I'm deep cleaning bathroom, toilet. So when it's light clean time, I just gonna go before I leave, because I like to clean just before I leave. So yeah, light clean, so that I leave the house fresh, so when I come back the house is fresh. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day. I'm actually washing my hair right now. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. You guys will see everybody throughout the rest of today. I'm around the back trumping some gospel, so when I am free up, I'll let you guys see everybody. So enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam, and I'll see you guys later. Oh, somebody's coming. Somebody don't want to wait until later. They want to see you right now. Who is this? Who is that? Say good morning. Hurry, I have to go. This is standing in the toilet.
Mama, can I help you for? Can I start Papa practicing?
No, Mama and Papa don't have to do that. But you can be around when we're doing it, so you can see what I'm doing and how to pack.
I want to help
you. You can help me. Oh, you won't be home when I'm packing for you. You'll be at school. But you can help me pack your bag that you carry in your books and your Nintendo in. Anyway, you guys, we'll see you guys later. This was Sarah and Babe. Okay, don't worry, they're here. Alright, till face later. Yes, babe. Oh Lordy, die, be careful. Sarah, hold on tight. Hold tight, Sarah. Hold on tight. Not his head. Around his around his neck. Hold. Hug him. Hug tight. Hug tight, Sarah. Sarah, hug tight. Right.
Quand tu as fini,
back up in the couch.
Just back up in the couch.
And she loved the foolery, you see. Watch out. Ooh, Ty, be careful when you do that, okay? Ty, be careful. Hi, good morning. Afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What you eating?
Nothing.
That doesn't look like nothing. That looks like something very caramelly.
Stop there. It's empty. I don't eat.
You're too funny. Zoomed in. Yes, you are zoomed in. You guys finish wash my hair. Mission accomplished. I got everybody lunch, clean bathroom, toilet, and now I'm on to mission. More mission. You guys, you see, packing is in full swing. Oh. I am tired, but babe's suitcase is almost finished packing. But for today, I've done almost everything that I wanted to do. Wash my hair, I clean, and I pack babe's suitcase. So packing is on its way. I'm gonna try and edit right now and get a little bit of rest. So packing a go on with it still. Okay, you guys, where we at? We're at dinner.
Excuse me, Mama.
Yes, Tyler.
After can we, if we can go to bed, can we watch
The thing that I wanted to watch?
Yes.
We'll see about it, okay? Alright, we'll talk about it after. You guys, it's dinner time. I am hungry. I only ate lunch all day today. So I need to eat a good dinner. It's Sunday. It's summer, so we are doing
Barbecue!
yes. So we're doing barbecue and I'm doing fries and a little bit of salad. So the boss on the barbecue and the other boss is in the kitchen. Anyway, you guys, that's what's been going on around here.
Mama!
Yes, sir. Chicken's going down, sausages going down. No pork today, just chicken and different type of sausage.
Mama!
Yes, Sarah.
I want a happy birthday.
You want happy birthday? It's soon your birthday. It's not yet time for your birthday. Okay? Okay. Okay. She's saying that because it's the birthday of my niece and nephew in Jamaica, the twins. So, happy birthday, KJ and Kelsey. I know you guys will be sending them happy birthday, so thank you in advance.
Birthday, Mama!
It's not my birthday, but thank you. Barbecue dinner never fails. Hmm?
I'm good.
Sarah, are you good? Yes? You want juice, please? How about water? Water. Water. Water, okay?
Happy. Happy and try. So you be like Mr. Bean and Miss B.
You can't stop your chunk for once in your life. Why your hand stuck behind me?
Because you just sit on it.
So why you put your hand where my bottom is?
No, it's the opposite way. Why you put your bottom where my ass was.
Where your asses are, where your hand goes. You guys see my doodle plats? 4 big horns. It can be a good mustache.
What you gonna do tomorrow?
Will you grow mustache when you get older?
No.
What do you mean what I'm gonna do tomorrow? Do my hair?
Tomorrow you are go do your hair?
No, I do my hair on Tuesday.
Okay. Tomorrow you are relax home doing
No.
nothing.
You can know when he does his lie to himself. You guys, we're coming on to end today's vlog. Was much because I was busy packing all day. So
When you say I was busy packing all day, what is it? We
were busy
Sounds
packing
better.
all day.
sounds much better.
That's true.
Yeah, I have the feeling now that I did something today.
When I say I was busy packing all day, it make it so like you were sitting down just watching me pack all by myself, right?
Yeah.
No, it's never like that. With his clothes, no, but with my clothes, yes.
Don't have to do nothing with it.
I want to have everything do with his cause you don't have to see the outfits, girl.
Because
girl.
if it's me, I take 3-4 things.
No.
She I take the backup of the backup.
Yep. Yes, sir.
Let's see after we pack all the space that we have. Let's see.
When that time come, we'll cross the bridge.
Let's see.
When that time come, we'll cross the bridge.
And it's summer, so we don't have winter clothes to take. I can't imagine if it was winter.
Wouldn't be possible.
No, not with summer.
Nope. I wanted to pack for somebody else today, though that wasn't the plan, but in the evening I was saying I think I should go and pack for one of the kids today, because tomorrow my day will be full, especially packing for myself alone going to take half of the day, because I have to sort out the outfits, I have to make sure I have backup like Mr. Bean, and Mr. Bean is the reason why I did not pack for another child today, for somebody else today, because there's a new Mr. Bean movie on Netflix, a series, and I love Mr. Bean. It's not actually Mr. Bean movie, but because we know him as Mr. Bean, is the person at Mr. Bean that's in a new series, and I had to watch that series, and I wanted Tyler to watch it because it's so funny, so I watched it with Tyler. So the time that I would take to be packing somebody else's things, I was watching TV and I was working at the same time, so it kind of okay-ish. Still feel guilty that I didn't pack for one of the kids, but tomorrow my day is full stocked. Okay, enough of my packing rant. What you have to say for yourself?
You said everything. I have the right to remain silent tonight. So I stay.
Even when you're silent, you're killing me with laughter. Anyway, guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, catch up and keep up, and do not comment about my plats in the comment section. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's long time in a pause for them, babe.
Yeah, you see I paused earlier. You are just busy talking.
There goes the pause.